In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional form fields in Framer. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by designing the input you want to show or hide and turn it into a component. This means creating the text field, label, placeholder, and any helper text or icons you need. Then selecting those elements and choosing the option to make a component. Treat this component as a single reusable piece so you can place it in multiple forms and keep behavior consistent. A good tip here is to give the component a clear name that reflects its purpose and to keep styles consistent with your form so the transition feels seamless. Next, add two variants to that component. One variant will represent the visible state, where the field is fully shown and interactive. The other variant will represent the hidden state, where the field is not visible or is collapsed to 0 height. When you create these variants, make sure their properties reflect the difference you need. For example, adjust opacity and layout size, or hide the label and input altogether in the hidden variant. Naming these variants something like checked and unchecked or visible and hidden makes it easier to connect them later. Then link the variants with an interaction on your checkbox. Select the checkbox element you're using to control the conditional field and add an interaction that, on click, switches to the opposite variant of the input component. In practice, this means setting the checkbox's on-click behavior to navigate to the checked variant when the box is checked and to the unchecked variant when it's unchecked. If your tool supports bidirectional toggling, use that so a single interaction handles both directions. Adding a brief ease transition will make the appearance and disappearance feel smooth rather than abrupt. Finally, use this component inside your form. Place the component where the conditional field should live, and make sure the checkbox that controls it is either inside the same form or properly linked so the interaction triggers during normal use. When you preview or prototype, toggling the checkbox should now show or hide the input dynamically. Test different screen sizes and states to ensure layout shifts don't break the rest of the form. A few extra tips. Keep accessibility in mind by ensuring focus behavior is predictable when the field appears, and test for keyboard navigation. Use clear variant names and small transitions for a polished feel. That's it. A reusable conditional form field pattern that keeps your form clean and user-friendly.